The most energy-effective lighting design won't save any energy if the lights are on and nobody's home. Section 505.2.2.2 looks at automatic lighting shutoff for all buildings larger than 2,000 square feet. Automatic control is now required. The types of control that we can look at would be time of day controls, as long as we're not controlling any area larger than 10,000 square feet per zone, or occupancy sensors, or perhaps a signal from another device like an alarm system. These controlled systems must have the ability to incorporate holiday scheduling unless it's a single zone control or a multi-scene preset device. Those would be exempt. There's an increase in the number of space types that are required to utilize occupancy sensors. An occupancy sensor is a device that will shut off the lights when no motion is detected in the room. These sensors are required to turn the lights off within 30 minutes. Classrooms, lecture halls, meeting and training rooms are required both under this code and the previous one. Changes include employee lunchrooms, break rooms, copy and print spaces, restrooms, dressing and locker rooms are now also required to be utilizing occupancy sensors. In rooms or spaces that have daylight zones, the occupancy sensor is required to have a manual on function. This is really a good idea anyway, manual on, auto off, because if there's daylight available, perhaps the users of the space would not need to turn the lights on in the first place. Occupancy sensors or automatic time switches can be utilized for storage rooms up to 1,000 square feet. When a time-based control system is being utilized, there has to be the ability to have some sort of user interface override. These overrides will control areas not to exceed 2,000 square feet and not allow more than 2 hours of override at a time. They must be able to be seen by the user, accessible, and manually operated.